Okay, y'all, we might have a problem. Remember those two baby Jubilee watermelons I was so excited about? Well, I came out this morning and something doesn't look right. Look at this. The leaves, they're curling a little. And I spotted these flies and bugs. Actually, today it was a bug I've never seen before, just chilling on the vine. And I said, "Not today, sir. I don't know what kind of bug it is, and I didn't know why it was on my watermelon plant." I've been babying these melons, watering these melons, and cheering them on, and now I feel like they're under attack. It's like a garden soap opera. So here's what I think is happening. The heat has been pretty intense lately, and the watermelon plants can get stressed just like we do. Combine that with possible pests, and boom, now I'm on high alert. It's time to fight back. So I'm going to be spraying them with the natural neem oil solution. It's safe for bees, but bad news for pests. And I'm setting up this netting possibly. I'm thinking about getting a netting and using that to block critters like squirrels and birds that might be eyeing my melons like they're a buffet. I've got two baby melons, two. If I lose even one, I'm going to be crushed. So this is my official watch and wait period. Gardening isn't always sunshine and harvest. Sometimes it's anxiety, it's bugs, it's wondering if your plant babies are even going to make it. But I'm not giving up yet. This is just chapter 2 of my Jubilee journey. If you want to know whether or not these two melons survive the drama, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the Jubilee watermelon journey.